As the name implies, the Tahoe GT Quad Lounge features curved benches with Matrix 50 seat covering in all four corners. GT Quad Lounge gives maximum options for seating, lounging, storage, and even weight distribution throughout the boat. GT Quad Lounge has many options, especially power performance options up to 400 horsepower. But the GT also comes with great standard features, including a Cadet 2 Rotocast helm stand with gray dash panels, attack, volt, and fuel gauges, and a Fusion RA55 stereo with 2 Fusion EL speakers, plus USB inputs and charge ports. Personalize your GS with a wide array of available features. Tahoe GT Quad Lounge is, simply put, comfortable versatility. GT highlight features include a Cadet 2 helm stand with full gauge cluster and cup holder, a bronze light stereo system featuring a Fusion stereo with 2 speakers, color matched seat frame cladding, Matrix 50 furnishings, and easy to clean external smooth wall panels.